My name is Tony Dedek. I am the Assistant General Manager for Tully Café, Lyons Hall, and a couple other operations that we run here. The science building's awesome. It's all glass, there's great light in here. You can walk on any level and watch the students do their work, which is really nice. But we have faculty members, students, staff, everybody comes by here because it's the new building on campus and it's beautiful, but they'll come by and grab a coffee, grab something to eat. We have so many repeat customers, it's pretty crazy, but it's fun. You get to know everybody. No matter what, you have to have food in a building, especially an educational building, because you got to keep the students, the professors fueled, ready to go, and why not put a cafe in? So it's just part of the planning that we look forward to, because we're always considered whenever new construction's going on, you know, hey, where can we put a cafe? What kind of food can we serve here? So there's a lot of research done in the background of what would work, what would fit, what are new concepts that we can try out. And obviously we were the first cafe on campus to go registerless. So there's no cash flow, no nothing here. It's all either done by the NEXTEP or the Get Mobile. Obviously there are labor shortages, and we would have one person just stuck at a register the whole time, and it's a little monotonous, but it's different now because I think because of COVID, because of cash handling, people are starting to get away from handling cash anymore. It was just the right thing to do. I mean, it's worked out so well, and that's why we want to try and expand it to other locations. Tully's different than any other location on campus. We do something that's called Mediterranean bowls. So we have 4 different types of bowls here. We have the Tesla, the Curie, and the Bernoulli, which, being a science building, these are all names from scientists that have created or developed things. And then we also have the last one's called the Experiment, where you kind of get to pick and choose all these different options to put into your bowl. I think the next step were the ones that we decided on, because of their navigation, was very easy and simple to navigate through. Even on the back end for myself, where if I need to deactivate an item or activate an item, it's easy to do. And not only do I do it, I've trained some of my students and some of my workers to be able to hop back if I'm not around, to be able, oh, let's take this off because we're down to one of something if it's a grab and go item. Not having the registers from, like, you know, old POS systems, because it gives you that much more counter space. And that could be either for advertising, that could be either having to add another piece of equipment where you can offer more. And I think that's what it is, I think, to get rid of a kiosk, is being able to widen your variety of what you offer. You know, it could be demands from the students that they're looking to see down here. And we take all of the comments as far as, hey, we'd love to have this down here. Like this year we just put sushi down here as an option, which has been a hit for us. So it gives you that much more counter space, which is valuable in the restaurant industry. And it's worked out great. It's worked out great. I just enjoy it.